Excuse me.
Ma'am.
Excuse me.
What?
Ooh. Papa. Penny.
What?
You and the apple?
No, thank you, baby. You eat it. Okay?
But you were maybe sharing with me.
Well, do you want me to eat it?
Uh-huh.
Do you want me to eat it?
Uh-huh.
After you licked all over it?
Uh-huh.
Well, thank you.
You can share the apple.
You will share? Are you
Uh-huh.
sharing with me? Okay.
Mhm.
What you saying?
Yum.
Yum. Was it good?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Over your mouth.
What are you saying?
What are those?
Teeth?
Your taste?
Uh-huh. Silly. Sing for me. Sing for Granny.
You got elbow right there.
Well, that's not quite an elbow. That's my arm.
No, this is an elbow.
I don't think so. Maybe a bobo, but not an elbow.
And the elbow.
This is my elbow right there.
Which one?
Right there. You got your hand on it. See? That's my elbow right there.
That is your elbow?
That's my elbow right there.
And that's your bobo?
Yeah, there's a little bit of difference.
And you got bobo right there.
I do. I do.
And right there.
Uh-huh.